I'm going to show you the best way how to clean glass so you never have to buy a glass cleaning product again. Okay, so if you're following a detailer who tells you to buy a glass cleaning product, I would run and get away from that detailer because they're just trying to get you to spend money where you don't have to. The best glass cleaning product that you can use is water, and I use just straight up tap water to clean all the glass on every single vehicle that I do for the last year at least. And I just found this out a year ago and it works amazing. I've known about it, but I used products because I thought they were great and helping me out. But honestly, the best way is water, and I'll show you the secret how to get perfect glass every single time with tap water. Okay, so right here I have my interior detailing microfibers. And here I have my glass cleaning and paint correction microfibers. I keep them separate. They're the same microfiber. I get these microfibers from Costco. These are the Kirkland brand Costco microfibers. And they're basically the best microfibers you can get for price, quantity, and quality. They're excellent. I wouldn't get any other microfiber. The microfiber cloth that you use is the secret to getting perfect glass every single time. And I'll explain it really quick here. So these microfibers here are for the inside of the vehicle only. I use them for cleaning dirty interiors, door jambs, and all that sort of thing. And here I'll show you my glass cleaning ones side by side, the color difference. These microfibers here are super clean. I bleach them, they're sterile. You can't clean glass with them. This side here are my glass cleaning and paint correction microfibers, and I only use these on glass and paint correction, and I wash them separately of the interior cleaning ones. And that's a big thing. You have to wash these separately. A big part of getting perfect glass every single time is using basically a brand new microfiber, a super clean microfiber cloth it's still plush and healthy. And the secret to doing that is to wash the clean ones with clean microfibers only. Don't wash them with dirty ones. These dirty microfibers will contaminate your clean ones and you will no longer be able to get streak-free glass. They have to be segregated to glass cleaning microfibers only in the wash, and they will last for a very long time and you will always get perfect glass with these microfibers. I just put straight up tap water into this sprayer here. I'll show you in a minute, but I only use straight tap water. The tap water here that I have is very high quality. It's 0 parts per million. So if you have hard water, you can't do this with your tap water. You're gonna have to go and buy distilled water. I still recommend that because distilled water is probably going to be a lot cheaper than a dedicated glass cleaning product. So if you know you have really good tap water, 0 parts per million, you can use it to clean glass. Or if you have filtered water because you're a detailing business, I would just use your exterior wash filtered water to clean glass. Works perfect. And I'll give you an example right now. Okay, so this windshield here, it's pretty clean right now, and it's probably not the best example of something that I can get perfect glass on because it looks almost perfect anyway. So I'm going to smear some Vaseline on this window here, and I'm going to clean it with just tap water with the correct microfiber cloths. And I'm going to show you that tap water alone combined with the correct quality microfiber can get you perfect glass every single time. We've got the Vaseline here, petroleum jelly. It's nice and thick. Smear it all around. I'll put some on the inside and on the outside as well, just so it's not too easy. Right, there we go. I'm not going to go too crazy with it because I got a lot of cars to do today, so I'm just gonna get this video banged out, but I got like 70% coverage here. It's not edge to edge, but it's a lot of Vaseline on the inside and the outside. I'm gonna show you the glass cleaning capabilities of tap water, and I'm gonna do it no cuts. We'll just try and do it really quick here. I'm gonna fill my thing up with tap water, no cut, clean the glass, and hopefully it'll be perfect. The first thing too is to wash the Vaseline off your hands. Okay, so I'm gonna show you, I'm just gonna fill this up with tap water here, and I'm gonna go straight to cleaning the windshield. No cuts, no tricks. And let's check it out. Now make sure you get me. Just gonna dump it all out here so you guys know that there's no chemicals in this bottle. And then right here is just tap water. Is it a good angle? Okay. Oh ho ho, I wonder if this is gonna work. And this technique here, it works really good for cigarette smoke as well too. The tap water with the proper microfiber is fine, even with tap water for cigarette smoke windows. I get customers that tell me that. They're like, oh, I smoke in the vehicle. Can you get the glass perfect? You got a secret product. And I'm like, you know what? I sure do. And it's just tap water. And this bottle here, it says ISO water. Sometimes when I do a paint correction, I put a dollop of ISO in the water just to help cut through the polishing oil. Oh, that's thick. Might need just a splash more water. All right, it looks pretty good so far. I think there's a little bit of a spot I just need to clean up. Maybe on the outside. You don't think it's clean?
It looks like really streaky.
No, I think once it dries, it'll be clean.
Yeah, you need a dry cloth.
Yeah, it'll just air dry. Okay, so this window, I think it's perfectly clean. I'm gonna have to wait for it to dry. The water is, it looks a little bit streaky until it dries, but then it usually dries pretty good. I'll have a look at it in a second, but the thing that I like about using tap water or distilled water, if you don't have perfect tap water, is that the microfiber glides across the glass very well. It's very slippery. When you use glass cleaning products, the microfiber feels like it's very sticky and dragging, and it doesn't slide or glide across the glass very well. And I absolutely hate that when I'm using a product, a glass cleaning product. There's basically I'm not gonna say the company by name, but the #1 glass cleaning product, everybody knows about it. It's safe on tint, all that kind of stuff. When you use it on glass, it doesn't glide very well. It's very sticky. I absolutely hate it. When you use water, this microfiber glides across the glass. Super nice, super smooth. It's gonna be like 70 to 90% easier to use tap water or distilled water than a glass cleaning product. Save your money. Don't buy glass cleaning products. Use tap water or distilled water. Use the right microfiber. And if you follow a detailer and they tell you to use a glass cleaning product, run, because you can just use water. Anyway, I'll take a look at this glass, see if it's perfect or not. I'm just gonna grab a fresh cloth here because that was a lot of Vaseline on there. It looks like there's 1 or 2 streaky spots, and it's just hard to get it any better because there was so much Vaseline on that one cloth. I will just touch it up with a quick touch with a fresh cloth. And here's that glide I was talking about. Super soft, super smooth glide. Nice and easy going. If you were to use a glass cleaning product and you tried to push it like this whole microfiber would fold up on you and it would just be a nightmare. That's why I really like tap water or distilled water. All right, there, it looks great. I almost got it in one cloth, but I switched to a second fresh clean cloth just to make sure because there was Vaseline on there. But yeah, just my tap water is perfect for glass cleaning. The best spot-free glass, perfect glass every single time. Save your money, just use tap water. If you don't have access to 0 parts per million tap water or filtered, really high quality filtered water, then just go get some distilled water. It's probably a lot cheaper than a glass cleaning product. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope this helped you out. Thanks, bye.